Hey, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a little demo using these Anairui, I hope I'm saying that right, masks. Before I use the masks, I just want to show you what comes inside the box. You get 3 masks. You get the Dead Sea Minerals Mud Mask, the Turmeric Clay Mask, and Green Tea Clay Mask, and you get a cool little applicator. The Green Tea Clay Mask is great for oil control, deep cleansing, and blackhead removal. The Dead Sea Minerals Mud Mask helps revitalize the skin, control acne, and contract pores. And last, we have the Turmeric Clay Mask, and that helps brighten and repair the skin, and it's also great for anti-aging. Before using the masks, I cleansed my skin with the Soap and Glory Face Soap and Clarity facial wash and had to add my bow headband, of course. The 2 masks that I'll be using tonight are the Dead Sea Minerals Mud Mask and the Turmeric Clay Mask. I'm applying the Dead Sea Minerals mask to my cheekbones so it can really just work on my pores. Then I'm going to wipe the applicator off with a paper towel and apply the turmeric mask to the rest of my face to help brighten and repair the skin because I was in the sun all afternoon. I absolutely love the applicator for this mask. It's really nice and really easy to clean off. It's not flimsy at all. I also would like to add, I'm not naked. I'm wearing one of those wrap towels. And then once I'm done, I'm going to let the masks dry for 15 minutes and then I'll wash them off. Here is a close-up of the masks after 15 minutes. The turmeric mask dried down really nicely, and the Dead Sea mask didn't really dry down all the way. I think I put too much, totally my fault. I did notice that there was some tingling with the Dead Sea mask, but it only lasted a couple of seconds. Now I am back after washing off my face and showering. I feel like my skin looks really good. My pores definitely look smaller and my face feels really soft. My pores especially, I'm shocked. I feel like they look so clean and so nice. The directions say to finish up with a moisturizer. I'm going to go in with my Dermalogica Active Moist. I love using this after masks. It's just so calming and gentle on the skin. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.